Hey guys, we're back with another video. We're going to the beach. Johnny, are you ready? Yeah. Ellie, are you ready? Whoa. All right, let's head out. We got our Iceco freezer slash fridge.
Куда ты едешь, Гузя?
На кемп.
Куда? В лес?
Песок.
В лес?
Нет, там есть песок.
All right, well, we have made it. Everyone's happy. Ellie, are you happy? She's so happy. Johnny, are you happy?
Да.
We got our campsite. We actually had to switch our site because it was so dusty and windy at the other one. And we were like right by the beach, which was kind of cool, but you know, there's like 14-mile-an-hour wind. So I'm like, that's not gonna work with kids. We got some salal berries right at our campsite. Вкусно?
Да.
Как раз. I had this brand called T-Mat send me these squares that you put together and it creates like a bed mat, and it's awesome because instead of me climbing in there and taking the firewood out, I can simply go like this. We'll drive up a little bit. Like on those bushes. First camping trip of the season, here we go. All right, so this is where I'm gonna sleep. I got 2 air mattresses in here and a straight up sheepskin. So it's gonna be nice and cozy. Ain't no point of being uncomfortable when you're glamping. Hi, Ellie Belly. Hello. Hey guys! Hello!
1 second.
Beachy? Oh wow!
Да.
It's fine. And this is why we love Blue Eddy. We are pulling 655 watts. We just made some coffee. We got all the lights up for the night. Excited to eat these burgers.
Подарок.
Хочешь такой?
Не, сырой.
Сырой?
Да.
И мяско? Просто хлеб?
Да.
No, надо с мяском. Или ты не получишь маршмеллоус. Massive.
Это наша. Мама, сзади моя.
Ready?
Johnny, are you ready to conquer the sand dune?
Да.
Alright guys, we gotta make it all the way to the top of that thing. It's huge. Ellie, you are a big baby. So heavy. Что, Ellie? Ты рада? Can't get this in South Carolina, can you? Or wherever people are from where they have no hills. That's why we don't move away from the Pacific Northwest, you guys. There's so much to do. Go, 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 go! Are you having a good time, Boo? So nice. Yep. She's sleeping. Boom. Just like that. Good job.
Nice to teach you the mic. Тяжело, ну, слишком тяжело. Ну, слишком тяжело. Ой, Демид.
Johnny, смотри. Johnny's going to bed now. Johnny, are you going to sleep? Good night. Bye. Well, it's a beautiful day. I just arrived on the bike to save some time because the tide is going out still for about another 25 to 30 minutes, and then it's gonna slowly start creeping back in. So I gotta make sure I get out there and try to get some razor clams. I think I might actually have to take the bike with me to save time. Not seeing anything. I have made it 3 miles. I don't see any clams, not even signs of them, so I don't know what's going on. I was so committed I made it all the way down here. Not seeing anything. Well, not a single razor clam, you guys, but it's okay. How pretty this is. Good morning, Ellie. Open up. Open up, Ellie Belly. Hi, sister. Hello. Hi, Johnny. Hey. Oh, look at that sunlight. Oh, I forgot it's my birthday. Bacon is always better than a birthday cake, let's be honest. Johnny's birthday's tomorrow. Ooh, good job, Johnny. Well, someone's got to make breakfast and somebody's got to blow a bubble, so I guess everyone's doing their job.
Dad, that's a diet. Bacon? Dad?
Hey. Давай. Well, we can't survive without coffee with these kids. There she goes, Mr. Coffee.
Are you interested in reviewing your terms today?
Today's my birthday. I'm currently camping at the beach with my family at breakfast table right now, and I'm not interested. A pretty bad day to call. Bye.
You left her speechless.
Sabes jaggeling? Johnny's collecting his food. True hunter-gatherer here. Let's go, Johnny. Johnny's stuck in the bushes.
It's actually pretty warm out here.
That's nice. Oh. Okay, we got a ton more of these. Here you go, Johnny. These are massive. Ooh, so crunchy. All right, Ellie's chilling over there. Johnny and I need to make a fire, so here we go. Whoa.
I got my toes and feet.
Ah, so nice. Well, Dan could only last half a day without us. Johnny, пошли встречать. Nathan, hi. Hi, Nathan.
Hello.
Hi, buddy. See, you can't live without me, Dan.
Are you?
Oh, hey.
Oh, happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you. Happy birthday, dear Mark. Pat me on the head. My little brother forever. See, the real OGs are here. See? Well, let's see.
Happy birthday.
Look how much stuff.
All this for 4 hours. Most important thing, we're gonna go crabbing, surf perch, and link cod. I only have one point endorsement. Let's go do illegal things.
Hot dog.
Johnny from Virginia.
Rick just messaged me today. Happy birthday, blessings to your family. We're gonna go check what the fishermen are up to. It's about a 4-minute bike ride, depending on how fast you go. We can't go fast. Frigo is the brand. It's the X0. It's amazing.
Oh my, you got naked.
There they are. You guys caught one?
No, we're doing crabs.
Funny.
Wow.
Nice one.
Oh. Look at him.
Oh shoot, he's moving.
Oh yeah. All right. Well, this is the female. We're gonna toss it back. Dana, we're conservationists
No.
at the end of the day. Crabbing pot.
Here comes the crabbing pot.
What happened?
Against the rock.
Oh, there goes your pot.
20 bucks gone just like that. It's worse than gambling.
See, guys, entertainment's not even free. Straight out of Dan's wallet. All right, big water guy. He's gonna go retrieve it in a month.
If you find some blue with listeners,
Can you imagine how many of those are down there?
Yeah, they're all rotted off.
Nathan, look, a starfish. Look, is that cool? Можно Johnny потрогать? Wow.
Don't stop.
All right, Nathan, last crab pot. So if we were on a survival mission, we would have survived eating those crabs, but those are females. Yeah, Nathan?
Crab can produce 5,073 babies.
5,073 babies.
You know how I know that?
No.
I made it up. That's why you don't believe everything online.
Exactly. That's exactly a lesson of the day right there.
Oh yes, baby. There's a lot in there. One female.
One female.
Man,
Wow.
what is this?
So what do you do with it? Cook with it?
Just boiling
Uh-huh.
and the sesame oil
With what? Like
and the with the beef.
with like meat or shellfish?
Meat,
Beef?
meat or pork, chicken. With the,
I've-
that's
I've-
the vegetables.
Yeah, I've read about this before in a book.
Oh,
I just
that's
haven't
a
cooked with
salty.
it. Sortie? Он маленький еще. Sand is really hot. We gotta go quick. Oh, so hot. Woo! Guys, isn't this cool though? Look how far you can see. Как тут красиво. You gotta hold it higher. Yeah, like that.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Wow. Look at that. It's so cool. Wow. Good job.
You know, like on the corner.
That's how you get a good sear. Oh yeah, chicken, hot dogs, coleslaw, steak, potatoes. Good job, Johnny. Wow. You ready? We're gonna go all the way up and then we're gonna come down really fast. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Good job. Woo! Помахай, Johnny. We gathered some sea asparagus yesterday. It's very salty. People say it's good, so we're gonna fry some of it up. All right, we got wild sea asparagus for breakfast with our egg scramble, same as yesterday. All right, so these little crabs live in the sand. You can see its little whiskers poking out, so I'm gonna grab it.
So cute.
Johnny's at Nazca. Johnny's cooking steak, he said. Ellie. Hurry up, Johnny. Ellie's getting hungry.
Yeah.
We're just packing up. Quick little brunch before we go. Alright, well, we are out of here, you guys. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. We had a great time. Johnny's birthday today, and we had a great celebration, and we'll be back soon, and many more trips to come. See you guys later.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Ellie.
So pretty.
I'll be right back, okay? Just one last quick stop. This is the Tillamook factory for Tillamook Country Smoker. So we're gonna get some smoked meat and see what they have. No, the cheese factory, Happy birthday, Johnny.
Favorite thing, meat sticks.
Johnny's birthday cake right here. We only get the good stuff. So we got original and pepperoni. And $15 for this. You guys, we found the hookup. 15 bucks for a big thing of Jacobson's smoked sea salt, which is the best.
That's usually like 30 bucks.
Usually like 25 or 30 bucks on Amazon. So, and it's a smaller container.
Really?
Yeah, this is way bigger. So this is,
Oh yeah, it is bigger.
if you're driving by, is this Highway 101?
That's a really, yeah.
Yeah, if you're driving down Highway 101, as soon as you pass Tillamook going north, there's this Cherrywood smoked sea salt you can get here, and all sorts of different ones, but that's the one that I recommend for steaks and everything like that. You sprinkle it on top of food when it's already cooked, and it just is incredible. It's made here in Netards Bay. Some of the cleanest water on the whole coast, from what I know. So they source the salt from there, and it's delicious. This is a really good deal. Here.